Welcome back to Beachside Motors, where we bring you the most insane and exotic cars on the planet. And today, we've got something truly special, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. This beast is not just another supercar, it's an absolute monster with 1001 horsepower, a hybrid V12 powertrain, and a design that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Is this the most brutal Lamborghini ever made? Stick around as we break down every detail of this jaw-dropping hypercar. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-octane content. Front view. Let's start with the aggressive front end of the Revuelto. Lamborghini has taken aerodynamics to the next level, with a low-slung nose, massive air intakes, and Y-shaped LED headlights that give it a fierce, futuristic look. The sharp creases and sculpted hood aren't just for show, they help reduce drag and improve airflow for maximum performance. The active aerodynamics system keeps the car stable at high speeds, ensuring that it's as fast as it looks. Every inch of the front end screams raw power and Italian craftsmanship. Back view. Moving to the back, this is where things get seriously wild. The exposed V12 engine, the massive rear diffuser, and the Y-shaped taillights make it look like a spaceship ready for takeoff. The dual hexagonal exhausts sit right in the middle, producing a thunderous roar that'll send chills down your spine. And let's not forget about the active rear wing, which adjusts in real time to increase downforce and stability at high speeds. Lamborghini has perfectly blended aggression with aerodynamics, making the rear of the Revuelto one of the most intimidating sights on the road. Wheels and brakes. Now, let's talk about those massive wheels. The Revuelto sits on lightweight forged alloy rims, wrapped in high-performance Pirelli tires designed for maximum grip and cornering precision. Behind the wheels, you'll find carbon ceramic brakes with massive calipers, giving you insane stopping power even at ridiculous speeds. The all-wheel drive system ensures that all that 1001 horsepower is delivered efficiently, making this car not just fast, but incredibly stable and responsive on any surface. Interior view. Step inside the Revuelto, and you're immediately surrounded by pure luxury and high-tech innovation. Lamborghini has completely redesigned the cockpit, making it feel like a fighter jet for the road. The Alcantara-wrapped seats, carbon fiber accents, and premium leather give it a race-ready yet ultra-premium feel. Every button and switch is driver-focused, ensuring that you're in total control at all times. The seating position is low and aggressive, just like a true hypercar should be. Dashboard and infotainment. Now, let's check out the dashboard and infotainment system. The Revuelto comes with a triple-screen setup, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch vertical touchscreen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display. The interface is quick, responsive, and packed with customization options. The system includes real-time telemetry, navigation, and an advanced sound system, ensuring that you stay connected while tearing up the roads. Lamborghini has also added a fully customizable driving mode system, allowing you to switch between different performance settings at the touch of a button. Engine and performances. Now, the heart of the beast, the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 hybrid engine. This powertrain is unlike anything Lamborghini has ever built, producing a mind-blowing 1001 horsepower with the help of 3 electric motors. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of over 217 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed. The new hybrid system improves efficiency and instant torque delivery, making the Revuelto more responsive and agile than any of its predecessors. Lamborghini has mastered the art of combining raw power with cutting-edge hybrid technology, creating a car that is both brutal and sophisticated. So, there you have it, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, a hypercar that takes performance, design, and technology to insane new heights. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Whether it's the insane aerodynamics, brutal V12 power, or the futuristic cockpit, everything about the Revuelto is designed to dominate the road and the track. What do you think? Is this the most insane Lamborghini ever built? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic content from Beachside Motors. See you in the next one.